doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it.
What's up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise, and today I am going to be unboxing my MoKnowsHair hair products. I purchased them from Sally's yesterday, which is insane, and they came today. They're having a 4 for $20 sale right now, which is crazy because these products are from $10 to $12, I believe, and I got 4 for $20, so I saved about $20, which is amazing. And as you guys know, I cannot turn down a sale. I'm not really supposed to be buying any products right now. I have a ton of products here that I still need to try, but these are new. I love MoKnowsHair and I want to try them. Before we get into this video, I'd just like to say welcome back to all my subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the box that it came in. And guys, I did not pay for 1-day shipping. It just came in one day like a blessing. I don't even know. So right inside the box is a 20% off coupon. I just need to throw this away. When does it end? Oh, okay, it ends at the end of the month. Okay, I might buy something before October 31st, so I guess I won't throw it away. It's online only though, so I'm not really trying to spend the $25 you have to spend to get free shipping. We'll see what comes out this month. So all the products are wrapped in a plastic, which I love. There are 8 products in this line, but there's only 7 in stores right now. Her shampoo apparently has a later release date, but only 3 of her products are silicone free. And you guys know I don't use silicone, so I couldn't buy those other ones. So I purchased the curl setting gel. I got 2 of these. These are 6.76 fluid ounces, which is not the normal 8. But that's okay. I have heard that this gel is very concentrated and a little goes a long way. There's even tape that covers the opening of the package. Sally's is doing it right. There's gonna be no spilling going on. Okay, I got most of the tape off. And this product, I've been hearing really good things about the smell. It does smell like cologne kind of, but a nice cologne. Like nothing too heavy, but it's kind of strong. I like it. It's not my favorite scent, but it's okay.
Okay.
And as for the consistency, okay. So it's clear and it is very, very liquidy. Oh, it feels really moisturizing though. Oh, it feels good. Okay. Okay, so this package says it has apricot oil, argan oil, and wheat protein, and it's supposed to tame, frizz, and define with medium hold. Her packaging is really gorgeous. I love this purple. She's just a classy lady. The back of the product says, for all curl types and textures, fight frizz and define curls without the crunch. Set your wash and go or twist your strands for a beautiful shiny finish. After curl primer or curl styling potion, smooth small amount through wet hair in sections and clump curls. Air dry, diffuse, or sit under dryer. So I did see online somewhere, I can't remember where, that you can use this gel to do slick styles too. So I will be trying that out and seeing if that'll work for me. But I will definitely be using this for a wash and go. You guys know I love wash and goes. So like I said, they were having a 4 for $20 sale and I needed to get 4 products, so I did get another one of the gel. Okay, the next product that I purchased was the curl smoothing pudding. I was watching Ebony with the V's video and she was raving about this. She did half of her hair with this and then the other half with the curl primer, which I did not purchase. I believe it has silicones. And she used the gel with the curl primer. And she loved this the most. She said she's gonna make this a staple product for her. So I'm very excited to try this for a wash and go. I wanna do a one product wash and go with this and really see how it works. And I also wanna put the gel on top of it and also see how that'll work too. Okay, it smells pretty much just like the gel. And this is what it looks like. It's, it feels a lot thicker than I was expecting. So this is what it looks like on my hand. Yeah, it's thick. Okay. So this product says it has apricot oil, metal foam oil, and mango butter. And the back says this rich styler makes twist outs or any style you create smooth and defined with flexible hold and beautiful bounce. Directions. After curl primer, apply to sections in style, air dry, or sit under dryer. So like I said, I will definitely be trying this for a one product wash and go. I'm really getting into those lately. I just did one with the Miche twisting butter and it legit blew my mind. Video coming soon. So I cannot wait to see what this can do. The last product that I purchased from this collection was the Curl Co-Wash Plus Conditioner. It's made with Abyssinian, avocado, and ylang ylang oils. And the back of the package says, for all curl types and textures, use this 2-in-1 wonder to detangle, cleanse, and condition in one step or condition curls after shampooing. Directions. As co-wash, soak hair with warm water and apply in sections. Detangle and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse and apply curl primer or curl styling potion. As a rinse out, wash with curl hydrator shampoo and apply in sections. Detangle and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse and apply curl primer or curl styling potion. So I don't really use co-washes, but I will be using this as a co-wash. And I'm also going to try it as a leave-in. I don't really use rinse out conditioners that much unless I'm using them as a pre-poo. So I'm just going to use this as my leave-in just because her leave-in has silicones in it and I'm not going to use that. I am happy that she did offer some products that don't have silicones, unlike Pattern Beauty.
No shade! No shade! We're talking about facts, right? No shade. No shade, nobody.
But I really wasn't going to purchase Pattern Beauty because I don't buy products that cost more than $20. I just don't do it.
No.
So this product also smells like the gel and the pudding, but it seems like it might be a little bit lighter. So it looks like this. Okay, this also feels very creamy and moisturizing. Okay. Maybe I'll mix this conditioner with the gel and try this on its own. Because this jar is pretty small. I didn't say, but it's 6 fluid ounces. And this one is 10. Okay, so I got these 4 products for $20. And Sally's has a deal where you spend $25 and you get free shipping. So of course I had to spend $5 more rather than pay for shipping. So I got an eyeliner pencil by Palladio. I got it in the color deep blue. I really like dark blue eyeliners, so I'm going to start wearing this and hopefully it works well. I will link the reviews that I've seen on these products down below in the description. As you guys can see, I have my hair in braids right now. I'm waiting for these braids to dry so I can do a braid out. So I'll be reviewing these products in like the next week or so. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please stay tuned for my reviews of these products. They are coming soon. And make sure you subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching.